Hi everyone, Miss Garcia here. We're going to be doing our morning message. This week we will be talking about farm animals. Farm animals like cows, like horses, like pigs. We have goats and roosters and chickens, okay? Today our sentence will be pigs and horses are farm animals, okay? Now first, before I start writing the sentence, I want everyone to count with me. I want to count how many words am I going to write in my sentence, okay? So everyone count with me. Pigs, that's one word. And, that's two words. Horses, that's three words. Are, that's four words. Farm, that's five words. Animals, six words. Okay, before I start writing, remember we always begin with a capital letter, an uppercase letter, a big letter. We always begin with a capital. And we have to remember we separate our words using our finger for spaces. You can use your finger, a pencil to make spaces in between our words. And we always end with a period, okay? Always remember that. Now my first word is pigs. Pigs. Now I know that the word pigs begins with the sound P. And I will write a capital P because P makes the sound P for pigs. Okay, pigs, my space, and, there we go. Horses, another space, horses, horses, another space, are, farm, farm. And then if I don't have any more space, remember we always go under the very first word. Pigs and horses are farm animals. Animals. And then my period when I am done writing my words. Now we're gonna count. Make sure that it was six words, that we counted the right way earlier. Let's count our words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 words in my sentence. Okay, now everyone say it with me. Pigs and horses are farm animals. Okay, now I want you guys to get your journal or a piece of paper, your pencil, and I want you to write the sentence. Pigs, space, and, space, horses, space, are, space, farm, space, animals. Okay, bye guys.